Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on from decision to CDL, the complete roadmap from permit to first paycheck. The goal is to show the full CDL journey from the first decision to the first professional driving opportunity. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. Many candidates fail to plan because they see only the written test. The real CDL process includes eligibility, medical certification, the CLP, entry-level training, knowledge tests, vehicle inspection, basic controls, road testing, restrictions, endorsements, and the first hiring decision. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea. The CDL is a professional credential, not only a driving privilege. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea. The CLP is the bridge between study and supervised practice. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea. ELDT requirements must be completed when they apply. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea. The first job depends on license class, restrictions, endorsements, record, and readiness. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory, it is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, identify the license class needed for the target job. Second, check medical and legal eligibility before spending money. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, pass the required knowledge tests for the permit and endorsements. Fourth, plan training, skills testing, and job applications as one connected path. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you were right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. A student who wants long-haul tractor-trailer work should not prepare the same way as a student who wants a local bus position. The class, endorsements, test vehicle, and employer expectations are different from the beginning. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition, vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is choosing a school before knowing the career target. Another mistake is testing in a vehicle that creates avoidable restrictions. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is waiting until the end to think about endorsements or employer requirements. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short, focused sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition, without correction, only repeats the same weakness. You are on track when you can describe your next 3 steps and why each one matters. Use this memory cue: goal, eligibility, permit, training, skills, job. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter, score your best.